Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm actually not sponsored with this video. I just wanted to show y'all this game. It's called Lucky Roulette. So right here, I love fishing, me and my friend. So I input all my names. So I put like for fishing, frog bait, fake worms, any bait you want, cricket bait, top water. A person chooses. So whichever one I get, that's what I have to use for fishing. I got frog bait, so that means I have to use fishing. But I got out of that, and I could go to save 2 and make another one if I want. And yeah, I did not, oh, I forgot. I did not get sponsored in this video. Also, I wanted to show y'all Rapala fishing. My friend actually told me this. His name's George, and go check his channel out. He's never made a video yet, but you'll see me in his first video. It might be fishing, or he might be a vlogger. So Rapala fishing. You press play. You press play, and like, here's like the maps. I'm gonna try Lucky Strike. Yeah, I won 15. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, back. What are my rewards? Okay. Up there, let me just collect that. I got it. Select the lake. I'm gonna do like Manitoka. What's my login game center? Oh, I have to do my permit. Oh, I did it. Which one? Should I do Grays Bay? The newer one? I might do this one actually. I have to catch 5 walleyes. It's so hard. Let's see. So like, it shows you ready. You could pick your type of bait you want. I have those right now. I might use a husky jerk. I don't know what that is, but I got it. I got like some like good bait or something. A good fish to get me it. Oh, you have to like, oh, I got a bluegill. Oh, I do not want to get out of this. Can I get this in shore? Come on. Oh, I got it. A bluegill. See how much that weighed. 2.68 pounds. I could keep that. But yeah, that's that game. But Lucky Roulette, nothing sponsored me in this video. I'm gonna have unicorn and all that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.